Bonjour, back with your revision session because in terminal exams you're going to have from lesson 1 to 6 in form 5 on Shante book number 0. Your textbook and workbook should be complete with lesson C's exercises. In your classwork notebook you should have been written up till lesson 5, and now you all are going to write le vocabulaire in your classwork notebook of lesson 6. After writing that, you're going to write the fruit name in your classwork notebook, and you're going to have your colors in your classwork notebook, which would be there as masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. Now, I begin with the revision portion with leçon 1, les lettres, your alphabets. You should have your alphabets A to Z with French pronunciation printed in your mind. Your pronunciation is going to help you to speak all the spellings, and it is beginning with this leçon 1. Les lettres. En français, il y a 26 lettres de l'alphabet comme en anglais. Apprenons comment bien les prononcer. In French, there are 26 letters in the alphabet like English. Let us learn how to pronounce them. The pronunciation guideline is indicative only. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These are your 26 alphabets in textbook. Now we have some words beginning with this alphabets. Okay, it is on page 16 of your textbook. Apprenons des mots français. Let us learn some French words. Avion, ballon, crayon, dauphin, école, fleur, glace, horloge, île. The last picture is île, island. Next, page 17. Jardin, kangourou, livre, maison, nid, orange, papillon, queue, robe. And we have stylo, tortue, uniform, voiture, wagon, xylophone, zebra. These are your 26 words starting from their alphabets. In this chapter, you learned accent, and you also learned that we do not speak some of the letters ending in these words, and they are silent. Only few of them we speak. For example, voiture, E-R-N-E, wagon, O, and we don't speak, but it is a sound. Stylo, tortue, uniform, zebra. You must have heard many times and spoken also. Now we have les accents in this chapter, and they are 5 different accents to be put on vowel, silent H and C. You have to remember that only. Les accents, that is accent, acute accent or accent aigu, aigu, aigu. It is only on vowel E and it is going this side, this side. Then example is école, école, okay? And we have accent grave. It is on A, E and U. We always put accent grave on A, E and U. And example is regular. Then we have kept like accent A, E, I, O, U. All five vowels are covered in this accent and it is known as circumflex. Example ash, hotel, oud, tête, il. We do not put it on silent H or C. C has half five known as cedille. Example is garçon and two dots. Trima, it's only on INE. An example is Noel, that is Christmas, mais, that is corn. Now, how to call your name? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name and it is informal. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name and formal. The answer for both is je m'appelle. J-E, je, space, M apostrophe A double P-E-L-L-E. M'appelle. My name is, and you have to speak your name. Je m'appelle Joseph, and they have spelt it by speaking the alphabets in French. Joseph in English and in French G-R-S-E-E-P-H. Joseph. Je m'appelle Cathy. K-A-T-Y. Okay? Joseph Martin. Joseph prénom. Martin nom. Prénom surname. No name. Okay? Here it is said, comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle prénom. We have to write our surname, no our name in the blank. Then we had a small poem of alphabet which is given here and le vocabulary. In exam, we do not ask the poem, okay? French poems doesn't come in exam. So, for revision, we are reading le vocabulaire. Français, anglais, avion, aeroplane, ballon, ball, crayon, pencil, dauphin, dolphin, école, school, elephant, elephant, fleur, flower, flute, flute, français, French, garçon, boy, glass, ice cream, horloge, wall clock, hotel, hotel, île, island, jardin, garden, kangaroo, kangaroo, livre, book, mice, corn, maison, hoe or house. Then we have knee, nest, May, nose, Noel, Christmas, orange, orange, ou, where, papillon, butterfly, cur, tail, regular, ruler, robe, dress, stylo, pen, tête, head, tortue, tortoise, uniform, uniform, voila, there are voiture, car, wagon, carriage, xylophone, xylophone, zero, eyes, zebra, zebra. Now we have already learned the trick of remembering these words with accent. If there are no accent, you right away learn the word straightforwardly avion, avion. But if it is elephant, elephant, e with accent, I give L again E with accent. I give PHANT elephant and English meaning elephant. Then our learning becomes proper. French word with accent, without accent, and its English meaning should be clear. Now we had these exercises in your textbook. Mettez l'accent, put the accent or accent means your accent aigu, grave, circumflex, sedille and trim. These five. And you have to first see the word, copy the same and identify where the accent is missing. Noel. Accent is on E. Two dots. Trim. Noel. So write in the blank. Same way is for zebra. Z-E-B-R-E. Copy the same word. Where is the accent? On first E, accent grave. Elephant. Copy the spelling and find out where is the accent. On both the E's, accent aigu. Regular. Copy the spelling and accent grave on first E. Il. Copy the spelling. While writing I, we have to write circumflex. So when we do circumflex on I, we do not put a dot. And we spell it as I circumflex L-E, il. Okay? Same way, appeler les noms. Spell the name Marie, Jean, that is Jean in English, and Père. And we pronounce by ABCD method. M-A-R-I-E, Marie. And same way in French. M-A-R-E-E, Marie. Same way for Jean and Père. We have already done. Now we have to match the picture with the French words. Réalisez les mots et les images. Match the words with the images or match the words and images. First one is zebra. Find out and join it with the pencil. Then we have glass, avion, maison and fleur. Last one is fleur here, corner. As I have folded the book, so I am showing it. Now, écrivez un mot avec chaque lettre. Alphabets are given. You have to write the word beginning from it. A, avion. B is M, maison. C is P, papillon. D is R, robe. E is S, stylo. F is T, tortue. Okay, it is given in the vocabulary. Now, identifier et écrivez. Identify and write. First one is notebook, livre. Then, notebook is cahier, textbook is livre. This is looking like a textbook, livre. Wall clock, horloge. Then we have butterfly, papillon. Pen, stylo. Car is voiture. This French name to be written in the blank given below the picture. And remplissez les blancs. Fill in the blanks. Missing letters. You can take help of the vocabulary and fill these boxes. And if you have learned the spelling, it becomes much more easier. First one is E with accent. I give dash dash LE. We can immediately recognize école. Then L dash dash RE, livre. C Z E with accent. Grave dash dash E, zèbre. Then dash dash EU dash fleur dash AG dash dash. Then wagon. And last one is O dash dash N dash E, orange. So this was your first lesson in textbook with its vocabulary and exercises. The revision will continue in the next lecture. We will do till lesson 6. All the things revising again so that it helps you in your exam to fill up the answers. Au revoir.